All right, it is less talk, more fixing with Best Mobile Mechanic. Remember, we do this not because it's easy, but because we thought it would be easy, which, honest to God, is the exact story with this. So this Jag came in for lots and lots of coolant hoses chewed up by rats or rodents of some kind. Do 24 hours worth of work, give or take, get everything put together, drives flawlessly. Lean codes P0171 and 174. I smoked it through the intake, found smoke coming from the very back. So on the back of the throttle body, below the throttle body actually, is this brass bushing down here. Now that's like 6 hours of work to remove and reinstall. Ain't gonna happen. It's just too many things that can go wrong. So this is what that looks like. You can see it's got a O-ring at the back and a little plastic connector, and call it a $60 part. This hose, specifically this part of it, goes into that. Now on this vehicle, we got a little surprise. Not only is it extremely chewed up, you can see it's marred up, it's actually gouged and scratched. Looks like somebody didn't know how to get it out. So that's approximately where the O-ring is supposed to be seating. And inside of this bag here, that's not an O-ring, that is RTV silicone that somebody smushed all over it in an effort to make it seal up. So, using my handy dandy scope camera, borescope camera, we're going to look down in the hole. And there you see our little O-ring. And look at how gummy and silicone-y and all screwed up it is. I'm going to get real close. That, there's no freaking way it will make a good vacuum seal. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a pick. And we're going to pick it out of there. I'm going to do a little live action for you. Even though I hate videos where people just talk and blah, blah, blah. We're going to see if we can get the magic on film. Come on. Without scratching and gouging inside of that. All right, you know what we're gonna do? This is a 2 to 3 hand job, and we've only got 2 hands available. I will cut this and come back. Okay, we're back. Our O-ring is very close to the edge now. Way down in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film this while I work with my other hand. This is some high-tech stuff, guys. But if you're gonna do this yourself, let me show you a few tricks first. Oh, come on. Wow. It is really glued and wedged in there. I believe they probably siliconed this in lieu of actually fixing it. Probably didn't have a part available and just said to heck with it. Which I wish was an option when it comes time for emissions testing. Oh. I've already thought to try vacuuming it out. Not really a good way to do it. Stuck in there too bad. Okay, I'm gonna pause it again and then I'll just show you it coming out. Okay, 17 minutes have elapsed and we are back with the shop vac piece of 3/8 fuel hose. And what I did was I plugged in the end so we got as much suction as possible through that. I then snaked it down to where this hole resides. And as you can see, we've now sucked out all the broken pieces. So what I'm going to do is blast it out with carburetor cleaner and do my best to get it gunk free. Let me take a picture of that. There we go. And take some Q-tips, clean it out with Q-tips, and then reassemble it. So, if you've ever wondered, can I do this myself? Yes, you can, but if any one little thing goes wrong, it's going to take you 2 to 3 hours longer. Disassembling the top of the engine, call it an hour of getting stuff out of the way. Getting the little plastic clip out was not too bad. This is the clip here. The O-ring was hard as a rock. It was absolutely not sealing anything. And it's now been sucked up in the shop vac, or I would show you. So anyways, there's going to be more to come, but this is a 6-minute video that is about 45 minutes in the making, plus. You're going to want to have small pick tools. You can get these at Harbor Freight. They're very inexpensive, but the one that actually did the job was a Mac broken tipped one. So pick your poison, but you do not want to score the inside of this brass bushing. That's super important. All right, more to come.